County in northern New Jersey. This includes the cities of South Amboy, Perth Amboy, New Brunswick, southeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, east central Somerset County in northern New Jersey, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:46 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Parsippany to 7 miles west of Roosevelt, or along a line extending from 16 miles west of Clifton to 8 miles east of Trenton, and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Clarksburg, Roosevelt, New Brunswick, and Jamesburg around 7 p.m., Lincoln Park, Pegwana Township, Manalapan and Edison around 7:05 p.m., Manalapan and Saratoga around 7:10 p.m. This line of storms may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait to hear thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Tuesday evening for southern Delaware and New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, and Somerset. The following is a flood statement.
Okay guys, sorry about that, but anyway, I got here late and my camera battery's charging down there again. But anyway, here's the warning. Northern Monmouth County, Middlesex County, and southeastern Morris and east central Somerset. And I guess, yeah, here's the message. And here's the area. Here, pretty much. Alright, I guess that'll be it, guys.